Community Secondary School Mbaku has emerged winner of this year's Chief Fidelis Nweke Isoo Asusu Igbo quiz competition, smiling home with a check of 1 million naira after defeating 9 other secondary schools in Awka North local government area. In the competition, sponsored by Chief Nweke through his company, Rifcon Energy and Construction Company Limited. Correspondent Emmanuel Okonkwo now reports.
North local government area. Dr. Thank Anago, represented by his deputy, Mrs. Scholastica Onwubufo, and the chief executive officer of Igbo Radio Program Limited, Mazi Chupode Dimofo, praised Chief Nweke for his commitment in preserving Igbo heritage.
The quiz, in essence, is a God's gift. God given to the Awka through the illustrious son, Chief Fidelis Nweke. He has done wonderfully.
Seen the strengths, I have seen the weaknesses. We improve on the weaknesses of the program, so that in the coming years, or the coming events ahead, it will be worthwhile. It's a nice program.
I'm very happy that everything went well. The student of CSS in Baku have done a marvelous work.
Community Secondary School Amanse clinched the second position and received a check of 700,000 naira, while Community Secondary School Achala took third place with a 500,000 naira check. Miss Ijoma Ademora of CSS Mbahu and Miss Rosemary Abui of CSS Amanse expressed gratitude to the sponsor and encouraged their peers to take the study of Igbo language seriously. In Awka, I am Emmanuel Okonkwo, reporting for ABS.